Today we'll be discussing about the second step of LL of one parser. Got it? In the first step we have calculated, we have seen how to calculate or how to compute first and follow, correct? Second step is to construct predictive parsing table. So today we'll see how to construct predictive parsing table. So predictive parsing table, okay, generally in the horizontal rows we have to include all the non-terminals which is present in the given grammar, okay, and as for vertical columns we have to include all the terminals we have used in the grammar, okay. You know the meaning of terminals and non-terminals that we have written here. Understood? We have to fill this now. How? What is the criteria for fill? Again we have algorithm for computing predictive parsing table. It is important. Okay, we will consider one by one production and we will fill the predictive parsing table. First production we will consider E tends to TE dash. Now compare each production with the generalized production A tends to alpha. Then see the value of alpha. Whether alpha is equals to epsilon? No, alpha is not equals to epsilon. So if alpha is not equals to epsilon, then first of alpha we have to calculate. First of alpha is what? To TE dash, right? First of TE dash is what? First of TE dash is first of T. You all know to compute first of, if terminal is there we would have included it, no terminal, so non-terminal we have to take first of T. First of T we have already calculated, opening bracket and ID, yes? So opening bracket and ID we get. Now for these terminals and from this non-terminal we have to include this production, that is the meaning. Here our parsing table, okay, name is M. From which non-terminal? E. For the terminal, closing bracket, opening bracket and ID, we have to include which production? E tends to TE dash. Understood? In parsing table M, parsing table name is M. From E, non-terminal E is here. On from E on opening bracket, we have to include this production. E tends to TE dash. Similarly for ID, E tends to ID, E tends to TE dash. Fine? Okay. So we will take second production. E dash tends to plus TE dash. Now compare with A tends to alpha. Whether alpha is epsilon? No. So we have to compute first of alpha. Right? So now compute the first of this one. Terminal is present here. So first of plus TE dash is plus. So what is the meaning? In the parsing table M, from non-terminal E dash on terminal plus include the production E dash tends to plus TE dash. So E dash on taking plus, okay, I will include the production E dash tends to plus TE dash. Correct? Next, each and every production you have to take separately. Now we have considered first production means second production you have to consider. Okay, E dash tends to epsilon we consider. See here, listen carefully. Algorithm, if on comparing A tends to alpha, if alpha is not equal to epsilon like previous two steps, okay, then we have computed first of that respective alpha. Now alpha is equals to epsilon. When we compare A tends to alpha, alpha is equals to epsilon. When alpha is equals to epsilon, then we should not calculate first of this epsilon. Then we have to calculate follow of this non-terminal, follow of E dash. Follow of E dash also we have already. What is that? Closing bracket and dollar. Now what is the meaning? In parsing table M, from non-terminal E dash on taking closing bracket and dollar as terminal, we have to include the terminal E dash tends to epsilon. So from E dash on taking closing bracket include this one, and for dollar also. Got it? Next, fourth, T tends to FT dash. Compare A tends to alpha. Alpha is not equal to epsilon. What we have to calculate? First of FT dash. First of FT dash is what? First of F. First of F we already have here. Opening brass and ID. What is the meaning of this? In parsing table M, from non-terminal, which is the non-terminal T. Okay, on taking opening bracket and ID, you have to include the production T tends to FT dash. Got it? So include T on taking opening braces. Okay, we have to include T tends to FT dash and ID. For ID, T tends to FT dash. Right? Then next production, T dash tends to star T dash. Now alpha is not equal to epsilon, so first of alpha star Ft dash. First of star Ft dash is what? Star. So what is the meaning? In passing table M, from non-terminal T dash on taking terminal star, okay, you have to include which production? T dash tends to star Ft dash, right? T dash on taking star, okay, we have to include star Ft dash. Then which production? T dash tends to epsilon is present still. T dash tends to epsilon. Now alpha is equal to epsilon. Then we have to calculate what? We have to calculate follow of T dash. Follow of T dash we already have. Follow of T dash is plus closing bracket and dollar. What is the meaning? In passing table M, from non-terminal T dash on taking terminal plus closing bracket and dollar, include the production T dash tends to epsilon. Got it? So T dash on taking plus here I have to include its production T dash tends to epsilon. On taking closing bracket, T dash tends to epsilon. On taking dollar, T dash tends to epsilon. Done. Next, last production. F tends to this one. Alpha is not equal to epsilon. Then we have to calculate first of E. First of this opening braces followed by E is nothing but we have terminal in the beginning. So first of this will be opening brace. What is the meaning? In the passing table M, from which non-terminal? T F on taking opening brace, you have to include which production? F tends to this one. Correct? So F on taking opening brace include the production F tends to within the braces arithmetic expression. Right? Next, last production. F tends to E or ID. Okay, in this class what we have to do? Erase this one. Last production. F tends to ID. A tends to alpha. Alpha is not equal to epsilon. Then we have to calculate first of ID. First of ID is what? ID. Because it is terminal. Got it? Now it says that from in passing the M, from non-terminal F, this F, on taking this ID, include the production F tends to ID. F on ID include F tends to ID. So this is how we can construct predictive passing table. Okay, thank you.